Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the OpenAI Codex CLI in Visual Studio Code with the GPT-5 model. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. On the left side, you will see a menu with several icons. Click on the one that looks like building blocks, which is the extensions icon. A new search bar will appear at the top. In that search bar, type Codex and press Enter. You will now see the OpenAI Codex extension in the list. Click on it to open its details page and then click on the Install button. This will add the extension to your Visual Studio Code. It is important to know that OpenAI Codex is not free. You will need to have an OpenAI account and an active API key, which comes with a paid subscription. Once the installation is complete, you are ready to set up a new project where you can use Codex with GPT-5. To do this, go back to your desktop or File Explorer and create a new folder. You can name the folder anything you like because this will be your project space. After creating the folder, open it inside Visual Studio Code by clicking on File in the top menu, then Open Folder and select the folder you just created. With the folder open, you can now start using the Codex CLI. In the terminal, you will be able to type commands that interact directly with the Codex CLI. Simply type in what you want to create. For example, if you want to generate a simple application, you can describe it in plain language. And in a few minutes, Codex with GPT-5 will generate the live code for you. This makes it possible to quickly build apps or scripts without writing every single line of code yourself. Thanks for watching.